Hey guys, this is Mr. Wakeman, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about your social studies assignment that you are going to do for me on culture. Okay, so this is my Schoology page. So it looks a lot like your Schoology page. So in order to get to the assignment, you're going to go into courses, you're going to click courses, and you're going to scroll down to social studies. And once you get to social studies, you'll see that there's a culture folder. So if you click on the little, you can actually just click on the folder, it'll take you inside. So once you get inside the culture folder, you see that you have the assignment, what is culture? And that's going to tell you, that's going to be where you go for all your instructions, and that's going to tell you how to submit your assignment. And then you can see you've got what is culture video number 1, elements of culture video number 2, elements of culture video number 3, and then this is an article about American culture. Okay, so these will be the things that you go and watch and read in order to complete this assignment, along with your brilliant thinking. And if you have a culture map or a poster that you've created in the class, that can help you as well. So we're going to click on the assignment for what is culture. So here's what you're going to do today. You're going to watch the 3 videos, and you're going to pause and take notes along the way. So you can do that. You can pause the video and jot down anything that you want to remember. You're going to read an article on American culture, and then I'm going to have the video that you're watching right now. When you're ready to submit, then you're going to watch this video. The more that you learn while you do this, the better you understand, the easier it's going to be to complete the assignment. So here's your assignment for today. Your goal, it really is probably going to be today and tomorrow. Your goal is to create a definition of culture in your own words. So you're going to see some definitions of culture, but don't just copy a definition that you find. I really want this to be a definition that you've created on your own, and please make this a complete sentence or 2. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to decide, so we've got all these different elements of culture that we've been thinking about, and I want to try to narrow that down. So I'd like you to think about, what are your 7 most important elements of culture? I'd like you to think, as a historian or a social scientist, what elements would you most need to know about in order to better understand different cultures? So you just have to think about what your purpose is here, and just think, we're going to be studying Native Americans, we're going to be studying early Americans, and just thinking about understanding different people. So when you do these 7 most important elements of culture, you can just make that a list. You don't have to write those out in sentences or anything. And then for the third part of the assignment, I'd like you to just tell what the most important cultural element is and why. Okay? Okay, so those are your directions for today. And then there's going to be an additional little video that tells you how to write and submit your assignments. Okay? I'm going to do that as a separate video so you don't have to watch this whole rigmarole again. Okay, thanks.